Here PB start is normally open button, so when we press I 2.0 becomes 1, and when we release I 2.0 becomes 0. PB stop is normally close button, so when we press I 2.1 becomes 0, and when we release I 2.1 becomes 1. Then when we extend the gripper cylinder, uh, input 2.2 becomes 1, and when we retract input 2.3 becomes 1. When we extend the vertical cylinder, input 2.7 becomes 1, and when we retract the vertical cylinder, input 2.6 becomes 1. When we extend the horizontal cylinder, input 2.4 becomes 1, and when we retract the horizontal cylinder, input 2.5 becomes 1. Then when we in order to extend the horizontal cylinder, output 3.0 becomes 1. When we 1, it extend the horizontal cylinder, and in order to retract it, when O3.1 becomes 1, it retracts the horizontal cylinder. Then in order to extend the vertical cylinder, O3.1 should be 1, and in order to retract the vertical cylinder, O3.2 becomes 1. Then in order to extend the gripper cylinder, O3.4 should be 1, and in order to retract the gripper cylinder, when we type 0 to 3.4, it retracts the gripper cylinder. Then output 3.5 is linked to green light, so uh, when we want to on the green light, output 3.5 should be 1, and when we close the green light, then it becomes 0. Then in order to on the gripper extend, when it becomes 1, it on the gripper extend, and when we off the gripper extend, it becomes 0.